How can I fix the issue of an invalid debit card?
Welcome everyone. Today we're tackling a very common problem that many of us have encountered, the dreaded invalid debit card issue. This error can happen for a number of reasons, and today we're going to explore the various solutions to get you back on track with your debit card.
Why am I seeing an invalid debit card error?
Before we can fix the problem, it's important to understand why it might be happening. Here are some common reasons. 1. Expired card. Check the expiration date on your card. If it's expired, you'll need a new one. 2. Incorrect details. Double-check that you've entered all card details correctly. That includes the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV. 3. Blocked or frozen card. Sometimes, banks may block or freeze your card due to suspicious activity or overdrawn accounts. 4. System issues. Sometimes, the issue might be on the merchant's end or with the payment gateway.
What can I do to fix the invalid debit card error?
Now that we know the potential causes, let's dive into the solutions. Expired card. If your card has expired, you will need to contact your bank to get a new one. They will often send you a new card automatically, but if not, a quick call or visit to the bank can expedite the process. Incorrect details. Ensure that you're entering your card details correctly. If you're not sure, double-check the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV. Make sure the name and billing address you're entering matches the information the bank has on file for you. Blocked or frozen card. In case your card has been blocked or frozen, you will need to reach out to your bank. They can let you know why the card was blocked and how to get it unblocked. This usually involves verifying recent transactions and confirming that they were authorized by you. System issues. If you've checked all the above and you're still getting an invalid debit card error, it may be a system issue on the merchant's end or with the payment gateway. In this case, try again after some time or try using a different payment method if possible. And there you have it. Those are the common reasons why you might be seeing an invalid debit card error and the steps you can take to fix it. Remember, if you're ever unsure, your bank is always there to assist you. Don't hesitate to reach out to them for help. We hope this guide has been helpful and gets you back to smoothly using your debit card again. Until next time, stay safe and happy spending.